True Jamaican vibes, fire read. So guys, today they're on the farm today. Farm some callaloo. We have some pumpkin, but today is harvesting day. Yeah man, I'm gonna harvest some callaloo and give it to my neighbors and friends and subscribers. Yeah man, I love farming. Yeah man, I do it all the time. Just farm some things and just give them away. So big up on yourself anywhere now watch from True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Read. See it? Ready if you cut down some callaloo to give your neighbors and friends. In times like these, just a farm up a backyard. Survival mode winner. After the storm. Look a bit after the storm I plant these red star callaloo, and today I could be harvesting and giving back some of my to give back to my friends and family, neighbors, so them can have some callaloo for them breakfast or them dinner. You know callaloo and dumpling, nice fried dumpling with some mackerel. Yeah man. Remember, do the right thing, you know? Do the right thing. So yes my people, yeah man, you can see that one here. Yeah man, see that one here. Them call that one of the purple callaloo. I don't know if anyone know this type of callaloo, but them call that one of the purple one. So normally, you see this? It's the seed. This is the seed right here. Normally, if I want the well, if you want the callaloo to grow very big, when you see that seed in it, you just bud it out. Yeah man, just bud out the seed. Yeah man, so this is the purple callaloo. Yeah man, so I'm sure now. You see the difference, you know? You can see the difference. See it? This is the red star callaloo. Still have seed night same way. Normally, I bud my seeds to get the right growth of my callaloo. Yeah man, so we have farm something, we can do it. Yeah man, so farm something at the backyard, my people, no matter what. Callaloo take like 6 weeks, 3 weeks to grow up, and we can eat for your breakfast or anything. Yeah man, so understand it, you know. So look at the healthy start. Look right here guys. See size of the start them. So this is where you can know you don't use no chemical for your callaloo most of the time. You see them hole here? Yeah man, you can see it. Can see it eat by bugs. Yeah man, so this is to identify so your callaloo don't get no chemical like that. See it? A whole heap of bugs up on the callaloo them. Yeah man, so one of the bug here. Yeah man, so organic way you need to farm my people. Yeah man, the callaloo pretty man. Yeah man, we harvest the thing. Yeah man, see it? Organic way we go. This is the way how we survive in Jamaica on the farm. So harvesting time and now we see it. Bud out that one right here, so. Yeah man. So it's harvesting time. So look at this, my beautiful people. Wow, look at the stalk. Look at it. Yeah man, this is it. Yeah man, pretty stark. Callaloo for days, callaloo for days, callaloo for days. Yeah man. neighbors and friend Callaloo. So me I harvest, drive around and now give neighbors and friends some Callaloo, you know. So me do it in a Jamaica on the countryside. So I wish my subscribers was near so we can drive around and give them some Callaloo. One love me people and one heart, you know. So we do it in Jamaica.